everyone, this is Natalie, and I'm overseeing the Movement Against Opioid Addiction campaign. Today I wanted to share a story of someone that has overcome her own opioid addiction. Towards the end of this video, I'll be sharing the name of our website, so make sure to stay tuned. The story I wanted to share with you today is from a lady. Her name is Tamara, and this story is her own experience with opioids. This is from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. They have released her story, so now anyone can view it. But this story is honestly so inspiring, and how she was able to turn her life around. So Tamara mentions that the first time that she had prescription drugs, it helped her with chronic headaches. She would continually have them. So they helped with the pain. However, later she needed to have a higher dosage to have the same effect. And unfortunately, she kept using them daily and even started to have a dependency on them. And she later said that she had to support her addiction with her home and savings. So Tamara says that the addiction honestly took over everything that she had. Unfortunately, she said she still has health problems from the prescription drugs. She has hearing loss and throat damages that have affected her voice. For me, this was honestly so sad to hear about this time in her life. But fortunately, the story does have a happy ending though, because after several years, she has been able to overcome her addiction with the proper treatment. And now she has turned her life around. So right now she's working at a recovery center, and she's a certified addiction recovery empowerment specialist. So it was just so amazing to see how she's now helping others and making a huge difference in their lives. So for those that are wondering, opioid addiction has become a rising problem in America. This story has shown, unfortunately, that the addiction can start from even just a small dosage. For those that have chronic pain, interesting, there are alternative options to dealing with the long-term pain. Even consulting with the doctor would be the best option to find out how to help with your own experience with the chronic pain and for the best options for you. But this campaign was made to bring awareness to the opioid addiction and even help others and loved ones facing with this problem as well. But from Tamara's experience, we can see that there is hope for anyone wanting help from their addiction. For more information about the Movement Against Opioid Addiction campaign, you can go to the website. It's called Movement Against Opioid/Workshop. Once again, it's called Movement Against Opioid/Workshop. Also, to read about Tamara's story, you can go to the Centers for Disease Control website. But thank you so much for joining me today, guys. Until next time, stay safe out there. Bye.